I want to double click on US based platforms because I've heard the question before. Hey, I'm a US marketplace. I already report sellers' earnings on a 1042-S every year. Does this replace the DAX 7 reporting requirements? Do I have to still do this DAX 7 XML reporting, or can I just send my 1042-S?
Love this question. Basically, I'm a US platform and I do some of this quite advanced 1099 and 1042-S reporting that Jessalyn mentioned at the beginning. Do I still need to do DAX 7 reporting if I've reported these non-US sellers on a Form 1042-S in the US? That's the form for the non-US people, 1099s for US people. Do I still need to report under DAX 7? The short answer, yes, you do. The longer answer, the why, 1042-S data is not exchanged with other countries. And that's one of the biggest drivers of DAX 7. DAX 7 is certainly about what we call domestic reporting, the Dutch government learning about Dutch sellers, but it's also the Dutch government learning about Dutch resident sellers, but that might be earning income outside of the Netherlands. So DAX 7 has this cross-border exchange of data. If you are a US platform reporting your non-US sellers on Form 1042-Ss to the US government is not exchanging that information with Germany, with Netherlands, with the UK, etc. There's a very limited amount of information that the US government sort of shares outwards to other countries. And it's usually financial related, like some bank interest types of payments. Gig platform type payments are not in scope of that really small amount of information. So yeah, you're kind of having to report under multiple regimes simply because they don't work in a cross-border way.